Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome to part two of Movement Labs. We are exploring what is movement, what is its value proposition, network effects, and we were in the middle of looking at their funders, backers. Now, before we go any further, this is your first time. Welcome to Halal Crypto Investing. Subscribe to our channel. We are not a financial advisory service, so this is not financial advice. Crypto is a risky asset class. You may lose your money. Most people lose their money. So be very, very careful. And let's crack on. Movement Labs. So their funders, they've had pre-seed funding of 3.4 million. This was September, a few months ago. Blizzard Fund, Benkai, Borderless, Colony. Colony I've heard of before, so those ones are there. That is it. Overview. Let's look at their overview. What's going on? More details. Happening here. A network of modular move-based blockchains. That is it at the moment. And this that prioritizes community involvement, characterized by its transparent tokenomics. So this is interesting. Minimal staking requirements aimed at promoting decentralization, and a protocol architecture that facilitates community-driven expansion. So let me kind of think out loudly. So this is based on the Cosmos Island. Cosmos Island is like a consumer island in terms of a consumer chain. They like to develop and build things for the consumer. So if you like, they've got a young entrepreneurial audience. And the example I've given is they will be doing things like a small business, a small medium enterprise. They'll be doing things on a pay-as-you-go basis. So if you need data, pay for data. You don't need security, you don't need scale. Only when you need these things, you will use them. So you've got that. So therefore, your community is going to be very interesting. So they're going to be looking at that community, transparent tokenomics, minimal staking. So you're not looking at staking and so staking can mean many things, by the way. So in this case, usually you are giving you're loaning your money, if you like. So that's the analogy I would give. Promoting decentralization and a protocol architecture that facilitates community-driven expansion. So think about Cosmos as an island, and that population is like a young entrepreneurial, if you like, because they're focusing towards small entrepreneurs. So we're looking at that community involvement. That's interesting. So I'm kind of thinking out loud there. Let's look at ICO drops. Is there anything else we can get from here? Movement. And nothing found at the moment. So, I mean, crypto, this is a risky business. So if you think about it like as islands and investments, you're thinking about this island, Cosmos, and it's trying to work with developers. Now, you are assuming in the future, these developers entrepreneurs will do lots of good things. And so therefore, you will invest thinking like that. Now, that's high risk. What if your prediction is wrong? So you're going to lose all of that money. So this is where crypto is a high risk asset. And so, we are an educational channel. We hope this information is useful for you. Let's just look back at what our intention was. So Movement Labs, what is it? It's a modular blockchain that is using a new language, programming language in that sense, that's trying to connect. Where is that sentence gone? So modular move-based blockchains. Here it is. Where is it gone? That's looking at prioritizing community involvement. So transparent tokenomics is good. And then looking at community expansion. So that's their value proposition, kind of getting communities together. Network effects, It's on the Cosmos ecosystem, which in terms of um, Cosmos is modular. So you've got that. I hope you've enjoyed that. So until the next one. Assalamu alaikum. Peace.